Today I am sharing with you finger licking breakfast which gets ready in just 10 minutes. So let's get started. A very first thing, keep tawa onto a heat because we have to prepare breakfast in 10 minutes. Now take 1 cup of rice flour and add into it 2 cups of water. First add 1 cup of water and mix it well and then use the another cup of water. Gradually add into it and mix it nicely so it will not form any lumps. This is the perfect measurement if you are using 1 cup of rice flour, so it needs 2 cups of water. Now add salt as per your taste. Here the tawa is also nicely heated. Keep gas on high flame. Grease with oil. Now add this batter onto it. Before pouring this onto the tawa, make sure you stir it well so that the flour of it won't stick to the bottom of the bowl. So mix it nicely and then pour. Keep gas on a high flame and cover it for 12 to 15 seconds. After 12 to 15 seconds, remove its lid and keep gas on low flame. And when you can see its edges leaving the tawa, then flip it, keep its other side for 10 to 12 seconds and then remove. See how nicely it's done. Watch it one more time. Again keep gas on a high flame, grease with oil, pour it and cover it for 12 to 15 seconds. After, remove its lid, keep gas on low flame and when you see its edges are leaving tawa, so flip it and keep for 10 to 12 seconds and then remove it. See how nicely it looks. This is very famous in Maharashtra state. Fold this in this way. You can have this with aloo sabzi or green coconut chutney. But if you want to eat something really yummy in the morning, so prepare this stuffing which I am showing you. Add 3 tablespoons ghee in a vessel. Let it heat up. Then add around half cup of grated coconut and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now add into it jaggery as per your taste. Add pinch of salt and green cardamom powder. Stir it for 1 to 2 minutes and then switch off the gas. And stuff this in crepe and have. Do try this recipe and let me know. I am sure you will love it. If you like my recipe, please do comment, give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.